Hello, myself Bela Gupta, expert in fashion technology, will take you through the first Junior Skills Championship being organized by Skills India, NSDC, and CBSC. Here, the academic skill partner is Pearl Academy. I'll take you through the overview, description of the competition, the evaluation criteria, the different levels of the test that would be conducted, and so on. So, when we talk about the skill, a fashion technology practitioner, we all know, creates garments. The technical skills that are involved include design, pattern construction, draping, cutting, garment manufacturing, and finishing. The design of a garment requires innovation, creativity, artistic talent, skills which incorporate aesthetics as well as functional details. The practitioner must apply the rules and theories of composition, including design elements and principles, as well as excellent construction technique. Fashion technology could be good for you if you like to be creative, manipulating materials, fabrics, sketching, illustration, pattern making, construction, and draping of garment. The technical inputs that an individual needs to know would be elements of design, rendering, design, and 3D realization of garment, and knowledge about the material and surface manipulation. A competitor also need to know the basic principles and elements of design, such as line, shape, color, texture, balance, proportion, unity, proportion, emphasis, rhythm, etc. To understand the role of a designer in fashion industry, he needs to possess basic sketching, illustration skills, material handling, color understanding, trends, fashion terminology, basic understanding of body, how to take measurements, etc., fabric and its manipulation. What a competitor should be able to do in the test project. The competitor should be able to perform all the questions and activities in the best capacity of understanding related to fashion, trend, manipulation, exploration, and realization of 3D forms using different mediums. This competition would have four tests, or you may say competitions. Level one, which would be entirely online, would be multiple choice question based. Here you will be given 60 questions. Level 2, which will be again an online competition. Here it will be both subjective and objective. Objective will be in the form of multiple choice questions, and subjective questions would be in the form of writing and a reflection, could be brainstorming, or could be related to sketching. And level 3 would be again an online competition, which would have questions related to sketching, model making, 3D manipulation of the material that you would be asked to procure before the competition. Level 4 would be a physical competition. By physical competition, it will be held on a certain venue where you would be asked to sketch, play around with different materials which would be provided to you, do some kind of fashion illustration, or you may be asked to drape or construct a component of a garment or maybe a complete garment. The evaluation system and the parameters would a student would be evaluated on the conceptual understanding of elements, principles of design, fashion concepts and terminology. They would be further evaluated on the basis of the skills related to sketching, handling of material, imagination in relation to inspiration provided. The detailed evaluation would be provided along with the mock test papers as the competition progresses, or to the shortlisted candidates for the next level of competition. The resources or the requirements to take the test. The technical resources would include desktop, laptop, mobile phone, tab with the internet. And I, as an expert, would suggest you to take the competition on the desktop or a laptop. Basic stationery and colors for sketching. Basic toolkit would involve hand sewing needles, threads, pins, scissors, scales, etc. And the non-technical requirement would be an understanding of the basic concepts related to fashion, like elements of design, principles of design, color theory, handling of different material, ability to imagine, explore, and realize new ideas. The instructions would be provided to you as we proceed for every set of competition, every level of competition. The first competition would be an online competition, as already been told to you. There will be 60 questions related to the topics which are discussed in the earlier slides related to fashion, terminology, concepts, and so on. Online 2 and 3 would test the knowledge and skills based in the particular in areas related to fashion. Test 4 would be testing the basic skills required to be a professional in the fashion industry. If you have any further queries, please write to us at worldskillsindia@nsdc in india.org.